all about the girly things, y'all. I just love being a girl.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we...
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, you know, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. So as you can tell from the title, y'all, we about to get into some girly things. I got a new Louis from Dhgate, of course. But let me get into the bag, get into the details. Now, I've been wanting this bag for so long for the simple reason of putting some girly charms on it. So, let me see. Let's unbox together. Oh, it comes with a little strap and the lock and the key. So I believe the lock goes on the, but I love a little luxury on a budget, and DHK gonna get you right every time. And hey, if you don't feel that shopping on DHK is for you, hey, be my guest. Buy the real thing, baby. But as long as they send me what they send me, baby, this is where I'll be, okay? I'll be where the luxury for less resides, okay? So I'm not gonna put the strap on there, but it does come with the strap. Strap. Now, I was gonna order my charms from Amazon, but they were gonna take too long to get here, and I was so thirsty to actually put the charms on my bag that I got them from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and I spent $40. I spent $40 to buy my charms. So I'm gonna show you everything I got first. So we got this little puff keychain. It's a hard puff. We got this C little keychain. Cute. Got these little, it's different. It's a 3-pack. It's got the globe, sunshine, and it has a smiley face on it. I didn't want it to be like specifically one color, so I got things that would have a variation of colors in it. Got these 2 gold chains, and I may have picked up too much, but we'll see. I got these little gold clasps just in case I need those. Got an ice cream charm. This really pretty butterfly charm. It's blingy. And then I got this other chain that has like different little things on it as well. So I know I want this chain to be the base. I usually got some scissors. Okay. Like that, honestly. I like that. It's pretty. But I want it to be more secure. That's cute. Okay. And I'm gonna do do this over here. I'll take this little keychain thing off. Or maybe I'll move it to where it'll make it longer. I'm gonna hang that on here. We getting somewhere, y'all. Next, I'm gonna add this on. Careful not to cut it. Okay. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna put this here. Let's see which way. Okay. Then let's do these over here. I might not even need that, those clasps. Yeah, be careful how you use the scissors, guys. Okay, so I think I want this one to kind of go lower like that. Let me start with these. Yeah, so I want them to go in. So this one can go right here. Okay. Stand up tall, sunshine. And then this one can go on the next level. Wait, maybe that's too far down. No, that's perfect. Okay. And then this one, kind of so it'll go on top. Okay. There we go. I kind of think I should start right there. What y'all think? Because I don't want it to, I want it to be like junky, but I don't want it to be too much. Change the sides on this one. go with that. That's cute. Cutesy. I might take this a little further down. No. It's too heavy. Heavy. Real heavy. So I think I'm gonna go with this. What do y'all think? I love the fact that it's super cute, super girly, but yet I don't want it to be like overly saturated or overly charmed or blinged out. I think these will be too much. Like, wait. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with that, y'all. So let me know down in the comments how you like my blinked out Louis. Let me know if you've added any charms to your bags or what's your go-to to style your bags. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you like this video and make sure, of course, that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. It's all about the girly things, y'all. I just love being a girl. What about y'all? Even if you're a girl or you're a girl, it's nothing better than being able to like just add little touches of your personality to your bags. So I love y'all and I thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.